sounding servos. All right. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
All right, action. Okay, so here we go. The new H-King Super Kinetic from hobbyking.com. Powered glider, as I was saying, really easy to put together. Well, I mean, you just push the tailplane together, put on the wing, put in your receiver, put in your battery, boom, you're ready to go. So let's see how it goes. Got a bit of poke. So we'll try a bit of aerobatics, we'll try a bit of gliding. Should be fun. All right, you ready, James?
Yeah, we are recording.
How about that?
Beautiful. What do you reckon? First model kind of territory?
Well, yes, you don't want the, something with landing gear. No, a glider, you can take it up high, you can just power it off. It glides around. Slow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or put the power on. You go into pylon race mode.
Oh, it's got a good whistle to it.
Or you go back into relaxing mode and you love that. That's what they mean by a wide flight envelope. Love that. I mean, it's even slower than the slowpoke that we were flying earlier, James.
Yeah, it looks like it actually. Can you go up high, shut engine down and do kind of a whistle?
A
whistling path.
Speed, a bit of speed.
Yeah.
Climbing, climbing, climbing.
Get the engine off and just hear that
engine
howl.
off.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Engine off. That's
Nice.
just power off. Should we try power
Yeah.
on?
Whoa. That's quick.
And aerobatics. So let's do some arrows. 4-point roll. Roll-ish. Like
You
any
might want
model,
to do
you have
another one of those.
You have to explore it a bit to learn how to do these things.
Nice.
Knife edge. Okay, let's try some real. If I got a bit of power. Pull up. I'm going to pull up hard. And it doesn't snap out. That's nice. I'm just amazed how slow it will fly. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. at what's happening. I think in truth I got a bit disorientated there, but hold on. Let's put the receiver back in first. Put the canopy back in. Snap that back in. The full clicks back in. The battery got ejected, so we connect that back up. Speed controller arms itself. That clips back in, and we're ready to go again. So, as we like to prove on Essential RC that things are robust, that's pretty impressive. And we're ready to go again. You can't say that it's a fragile model. That it took that quite well, considering I went in nose first. So let's land. So there we go. So super kinetic, yeah, I'd say super slow, fairly aerobatic, and certainly super robust. You know, I went nose in there. I was trying to be a bit flash and do a bit of inverted, got a bit disorientated. Can happen to anyone. So pretty impressed with this. Bit of a keeper. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press the button in the bottom left now, or you might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. But thanks for watching. Thanks for James on camera. See you next time. Thanks. There we go.